Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. We are going to make instant pepper chicken fry recipe. We can keep the marinated chicken safely in a refrigerator for up to 3 days. When you need it, just fry it so that you can enjoy the crispiness. Let's move the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of chicken with bones, add 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well, keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add the chicken pieces.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notifications, don't forget to enable the icon.
And fry until it becomes light brown color on medium flame. When it becomes light brown color, transfer it into a plate. Our instant marinated chicken pepper fry recipe is ready. It's so yummy. We can make this recipe in 15 minutes.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.